Man, patience is a virtue in this current day and age. There are so many things that need to get done and so many things that you need to get together. And there's things like work that need to be sit down. You need to sit down and just keep grinding it out. And without patience, you never you never have the ability to sit down and progress in these things. And the most significant example I can think of is with fitness. If you go into the gym and you're impatient with your gains, you want to push progression way faster than it normally would occur, you're gonna get injured. If you go in and say you have a progression scheme of on deadlifts, let's say 4 sets of 2 to 5. Now, an impatient person will go in and be like, okay, so I deadlifted 225 for 2 reps last week. Let me just jump up to 240 or some shit. Don't push progression so fast. Be patient and realize that as a natural lifter, progress is not that fast. Even with newbie gains, don't expect to put 100 pounds on your deadlift in 2 weeks. It's not realistic unless there's some serious issues with your form or you're underlifting the amount of weight that you should be at the or you're under or fuck or you're not doing enough compared to what you should be doing. So be patient. And then this especially comes into play when we talk about program hopping. Now, a lot of people may run a reusable program and it may work for them great. For example, right now I'm running a 4 week reusable program where I've increased my bench to around 170 pounds from 135 in 4 weeks, and it's significant progress. I don't expect to add that much weight again when I reuse the program. Does that mean I'm going to switch programs? No, because I'm patient. I understand that progress isn't that fast. And when we talk about program hopping itself, why would you switch programs if you're not stalling, there's no problems? Just because you finish the cycle doesn't mean you can't rerun the program. If it's specifically made to be reused and you've seen gains with the program, there's no point in saying, nah, let's try to expedite progress and push things faster. No, be patient. If something's working for you and you're getting good gains with it, there's no point in switching. You could get onto a new program that actually makes you go backwards in progress, or it slows your progress much more than you would rather have on this program that you saw gains with. So stay patient. Is that it? Is that all? Patience. Yeah, that's all. Now, I'm going to keep it short right there, but if you guys have any follow ups or examples of where patience helped you, I'd love to hear your story in the comments. Take care, boys.